This video is based on famous best-selling book Relaxation Response. In this video, we are going to learn a life-rejuvenating science and technique which can cure 80% problems of your life. This particular technique is famously known as relaxation response, which is researched and proven technique started by Dr. Herbert Benson from Harvard University. Before learning about this technique, we should know the basic understanding of our 80% of problems. The recent information states that 80% of all chronic illness is brought on by stress. You have to understand that your genes do not control you. You and your lifestyle, as it relates to stress, control which genes express, which ones do not. By reducing stress or by practicing relaxation response, you make the choice for wellness. What is relaxation response as per Dr. Herbert Benson? It is a physical state of deep rest that changes the physical and emotional responses to stress. Before knowing about the benefits, you take a note that this method responds to the center part of our brain known as hypothalamus, which is triggered, and this part of brain releases various neurochemicals to remove stress and to increase spiritual or inner peace. Let's know the benefits. Number 1. Decrease in blood pressure. Number 2. Diminished respiratory rate. Number 3. Lower pulse rate. Number 4. Diminished oxygen consumption. Number 5. Decrease in carbon dioxide output. Number 6. Decrease in blood lactate levels. Number 7. Increase in alpha brain waves associated with relaxation. Number 8. Improved sense of mental and spiritual well-being. Now let's know about 25 diseases which are significantly improved or cured by this relaxation technique. Apart from these 25 diseases, if you connect this with your body mechanism, it cures many side effects of masturbation. But you should follow semen retention and brahmacharya at least for 2 years. Here, we will not repeat all those 25 in numbers, but we will highlight some important diseases. Infertility, menopause-related symptoms, nervousness, all forms of pain, backaches, headaches, abdominal pain, muscle pain, joint aches, post-operative pain, neck, arm and leg pain, premenstrual syndrome, side effects of cancer, side effects of AIDS, anxiety, cough, constipation, diabetes, dizziness, fatigue, hypertension. Please take the screenshot for your record. You can practice various meditations, breathing exercises, yoga and relaxation to get benefits. The relaxation response. To learn this technique, set aside 10 to 20 minutes each day for a week and try it. Number 1. Sit quietly in a comfortable position. Number 2. Allow your eyes to close. Number 3. Think about each muscle beginning at your feet and progressing up to your face. Deeply relax all your muscles. Keep them relaxed. Number 4. Breathe through your nose. Become aware of your breathing. Just become aware of your breathing. As you breathe out, say the word 1. As you breathe out, say the word 1 silently to yourself. For example, when you breathe in, just feel that my health is improving. I am feeling better. Feel that my health is improving. When you breathe out, count 1. Again breathe in and feel that my health is improving. When you breathe out, count 2. Again breathing and feel that my health is improving. My body is getting healed. Feel the healing effect of this relaxation response. When you breathe out, count 3. Like this, in this way you can count up to 20, 30, 50. You may increase this timing as per your wish. Number 5. Continue for 10 to 20 minutes. You may open your eyes to check the time, but do not use an alarm. When you finish, sit quietly for several minutes. At first with your eyes closed and later with your eyes opened. Do not stand up for a few minutes. Number 6. Do not worry about whether you are successful in achieving a deep level of relaxation. Maintain a passive attitude and permit relaxation to occur at its own pace. When distracting thoughts occur, try to ignore them by not dwelling upon them and return to repeating 1, 2, 3 like this. With practice, the response should come with little effort. Practice the technique once or twice daily, but not within 2 hours of a meal. Please pay attention. Do not practice within 2 hours of a meal, since the digestive processes seem to interfere with the elicitation of the relaxation response. You can join our premium Telegram group for more elaboration and exclusive guidance as voice message. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video maximum. Thank you very much.